Hello friends, welcome to the Power BI tutorial series. In this tutorial we will see how we use drill through in Power BI. So this drill through is very important topic in the Power BI. Basically it is used to navigate from one page to the another page in the Power BI. So we will see like how we work using the drill through. So that is the only agenda of this tutorial, like how we can use this drill through and how it is utilized in the Power BI. So let's go to the Power BI desktop application. So in this application, on the one page, what I have done, I have created two chart. One is the like this bar chart. Here I have taken like profit by product, and I have done some formatting, and another I have taken the donut chart, and it is like we are showing the profit over the country. So these two chart I have taken, that is the one page. And on another page what I have done, like here I have taken the one table basically and done the formatting, and here I have taken the product and the profit, and there is a one sheet which I have created, and here I have taken the country and the sales price. So these three sheets I have created here. Now we will see how we can use this drill through in the Power BI. So basically, as I explained, like drill through is used to navigate from one page to another page or drilling down on the pages. So that is the use of the drill through. So like next what we have to do, how we use this drill through, that we need to see. So let's concentrate on like how we are working on this. So just like on the page where we want to drill through, from this page to, like from this page to, on which page you want to navigate. So on that page what you have to do, like suppose from this chart, from this bar chart, I want to navigate to the drill through page. So on this page you will go, and on this page, like here we are looking drill through. So here we have to utilize our thing, like suppose now I want to drill through based on the product. So let's like drop down that product to this add drill through field here. So once you will select it here, now the basically this drill through it attached with the product. So let's go to the page 2, and here this chart is basically depend on the product. So it will not come for all the pages, basically it will be considered for the product only. So on any product, what you do, just see, when you will do hover on any bar, we are looking like on the right click to drill through, so that hover text we are looking. So any product name, you just do the right click, and when you will click the right click, here you will see the drill through, and it is saying the page name. Basically this drill through is my page name, so it is like pointing to that. So once you will click on this, we will see like it will navigate to that page, and it will show the data for particular product. So let's, like I'm clicking for the VTT, so just right click on this drill through and go to that drill through, and when we will navigate to this page, we will see the data only for VTT. So that is the use of the like this drill through. Now if you will go back, and when we click on this go back basically, so it will navigate like it will take us to the previous page, and that is the like page 2. It will take us here, and like suppose if I want to click on this umbrella, and if I will right click and drill through, so it will show the data to the related product called umbrella. So in that way this drill through works, and it is a very important part of this Power BI, and most of the company is use it. Like suppose in a company, like there is a organization like who is reporting to which manager or the person, so those kind of information is taken care in the visualization way using this like drill through. Now suppose same thing we want to do, like on this donut chart we are doing country and the profit wise. So what I can do, on the page 3 I want to navigate, so here I am showing like country and the sales price, and here I want to drill through based on the country, like on which country how much is the sales price. So what I can do here, what we have to take, like as we have known, like we are doing drill through using the country. So here what we have to take, we have to take the country. So let's take the country here, So once I click on means I drag and drop the country, and when I go to this page 2, see when I click on this, it is showing drill through using this drill through. Like before that, let's what I do. Let me get rid of this once. I have get rid of this country. Now I go to the page 2. So this page 2 and this drill through page is basically is considered based on the product. Like right click on this and we can see based on that. But when I right click on this donut chart, we are not looking any drill through, because that is considered drill through based on the product, not for the country. Like see, if I right click on this, we are not looking in that drill through. So now what I will do in the page 3, I will take the country name into this drill through, and when I do that and I go to the page 2 and right click on this donut chart, we will see the drill through. Like we can see here, and it is saying it will navigate to the page 3. So when I click on this, so it will take us to the particular country like Canada. We can see all the things it is showing here. And when I go on the page 2, and suppose I want to check for the, this is for the Canada, and if I right click on this, like instead of the Canada, what I will take on this America. So right click on this, and when I move to page 3, it will show the respective information. For the USA, the sales price is 16580. So that is the sales price. So this kind of information is basically shown by the drill through. So that is the important topic for the Power BI. And as per this tutorial, that's it. If you have any question and doubt, please comment. Thank you.